Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Binance account. So in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone and make sure you install the Binance application on your mobile phone. Now you can also do this on Chrome. So creating a Binance account on Chrome is also possible. You can do it on a browser on your mobile device or a laptop also. But the best method is to create your Binance account through the application. In order to do this, click on Play Store, search for Binance and install the Binance application. Now, click on Open and open the Binance application. Here, you'll have to tell Binance about yourself. So, if you're new to crypto, choose the first one. If you're familiar, click the second one. Now, click on Accept All button and accept all the cookies. Here, it will take you to this page where it says Welcome to Binance. So, you'll have to enter your email or phone number to create an account. So I will enter my email and click on next. Now this will take me to this page where I will have to enter a verification code that I'll receive on this email. So I will navigate to Gmail, open the email I received from Binance, copy this activation code, then click on next. After this, I will have to create a strong password. Then click on next. After this, I will have to choose do I have an inviter or not. So I will choose yes. Now I will have to enter a referral ID if I have any. So I will paste the referral ID. If you don't have it, simply choose no and click on next. Now it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to simply choose your residency. So click on this country icon and search for the country you live in. So I will choose my country here. After this, make sure you have all these IDs to verify your account. So you'll have to complete the following steps to verify your account in about 7 minutes. So make sure you have personal information, government issued ID and liveness check. Now click on continue and it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to choose your nationality. Click on continue. Now choose your document verification. Click on other documents and you can add other documents if you wish. So basically you'll have to complete the verification steps by giving the documents required on the next steps. After you would have verified your account, you would be successfully logged in to your Binance dashboard. Now as you can see, you will see this dashboard where you'll have your total balance available at the top, the posts from Binance available here, your market section here. If you want to trade, click on trade here and you'll be able to buy and sell various kind of bitcoins. All the futures and derivatives will be available in this section. Now if you click on wallet, you can deposit, withdraw, buy and transfer any kind of cryptocurrency that you want by doing this. So basically you'll have to sign up using your number and credentials. Then you'll have to simply verify your documents and you would have successfully created your Binance account. So that's how you create Binance account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.